joy, music in the air. A Gambian wedding, love everywhere. Dance to the rhythm, hearts full of grace. Two souls united in this sacred place. With laughter, song, and the stars above. A Gambian wedding, sealed with love. Daka Banjul, sika fankule. Adorned with gold, a story of love beautifully told. The groom stands proud, his heart so clear, surrounded by those they hold dear. Dance to the rhythm, hearts full of grace. Two souls united in this sacred place. With laughter, song, and the stars above. A Gambian wedding, sealed with love. The bride in white, adorned with gold, a story of love beautifully told. The groom stands proud, his heart so clear, surrounded by those they hold dear. Dance to the rhythm, hearts full of grace. Two souls united in this sacred place. With laughter, song, and the stars above. A Gambian wedding, sealed with love. Dagitong di nyo'y fataliku. Kung nangyayang kang nararamboke. With laughter, song, and the stars above. A Gambian wedding, sealed with love. Dagitong di nyo'y fataliku. Kung nangyayang kang nararamboke. By the river that flows so free, the Gambia calls to you and me. From Banjul shores to the inland breeze, it's a land of peace where hearts find ease. Gambia, oh Gambia, land of smiles, where the sun shines bright for miles. People's warmth like the river's flow. Gambia's love forever will grow. In the markets, colors so bold, stories in the streets, centuries old. From Kunta Kinte to Sedakunda's lights, Gambia's beauty shines day and night. Gambia, oh Gambia, land of smiles, where the sun shines bright for miles. People's warmth like the river's flow. Gambia's love forever will grow. Bili Gambi, Dendayati, Harejokundirde, Binde Andi. Baobab trees stand strong and tall, through every season, through it all. The rhythms of life, the beat of the drum, welcome you home, where you're never alone. Gambia, oh Gambia, land of smiles, where the sun shines bright for miles. People's warmth like the river's flow. Gambia's love forever will grow. Cherief Gambia, undi melindeya, sama holziyo inapende. Colors so bold, stories in the streets, centuries old. From Kunta Kinte to Sedakunda's lights, Gambia's beauty shines day and night. Miri Gambia, koi tekti, hare jokkondirde ninde andi. Baobab trees stand strong and tall, through every season, through it all. The rhythms of life, the beat of the drum, welcome you home, where you're never alone. Gambia, oh Gambia, land of smiles, where the sun shines bright for miles. People's warmth, like the rivers flow. Gambia's love, forever will grow. Jerry of Gambia, Sama Khotio, Inapende. People's warmth, like the rivers flow. Gambia's love, forever will grow. Jerry of Gambia, Tundina Lindaya, Sama Khotio, Inapende.
In the halls of history, stories unfold. The Gambia spirit, brave and bold. Artifacts of the past, voices so true. The Gambia National Museum calling you. Echoes of Gambia through time, we hear it in the museum. The past draws near, from ancient hands to modern days. The Gambia's heart in endless ways. Sono bine aflet, new malada, kukole chanfaye, fulolu dala. Sono bine aflet, new malada, kukole chanfaye, fulolu dala. Through every piece, a legacy thrives. Kunta Kinte's strength still survives. Crops of the people, songs of the land. In the museum, it's all at hand. Echoes of Gambia through time, we hear it in the museum. The past draws near, from ancient hands to modern days. The Gambia's heart in endless ways. Gambia nguru, Jamakati, Inandikangate, Hande Walandu. Feel the drums, the rhythm, the art. The museum's walls hold Gambia's heart. From colonial times to freedom's call, the stories here connect us all. Echoes of Gambia through time, we hear it in the museum. The past draws near, from ancient hands to modern days. The Gambia's heart in endless ways. Senti shota, ham in egna, gumna dundubi, such a sufsi. From ancient hands to modern days, Gambia's heart in endless ways. Jamakati, inandikangate, hande walandu. Jamakati, inandikangate, hande walandu.
By the ocean breeze and golden sun, digital of a peaceful land. Monkeys swing in the tall palm trees, birds sing soft with the coastal breeze. Vigilos music, so wild and free. Nature's wonder. rise strong and tall. In BGLO's heart, there's room for all. BGLO's unity, so wild and free. Nature's wonder by the sea. In every leaf, in every sound, the spirit of Gambia is all around. BGLO Konole, Abeteria, Dunya le Bahila, Tunia San. Trails that whisper secrets of all. Footprints left where stories are told. Baobab trees rise strong and tall. In BGLO's heart, there's room for all. BGLO's unity, so wild and free. Nature's wonder by the sea. In every leaf, in every sound, the spirit of Gambia is all around. BGLO Dore, Doi Diejan, Joki Hande, Wana Hande. Feel the earth beneath your feet, where nature and peace so gently meet. Sunsets paint the sky in gold. BGLO story forever told. BGLO's beauty, so wild and free. Nature's wonder by the sea. In every leaf, in every sound, the spirit of Gambia is all around. BGLO Dinda, Faluna Chimbo Pai, Sanya Sufsida Fai Ara Ji Jafe.
In the hands of a master, rhythm flows, soul speaks, where the spirit grows. Wouldn't escape the perfect blend, a sound that speaks with no ill end. Soluba's voice, deep and clear, telling stories we long to hear. From ancient lands to modern days, the rhythm of Gambia in soulful ways. Solubale nala, abefeyan, biala cheka, ngole jam. The drum calls forth the dancing feet. Soluba's rhythm, steady and sweet. From village fires to city lights, its music turns the dark to bright. Soluba's voice, deep and clear, telling stories we long to hear. From ancient lands to modern days, the rhythm of Gambia in soulful ways. Soluba le la la, abefeyan, biala cheka, ngole jam, lands to modern days. The rhythm of Gambia in soulful ways. Soluba ndulukude, yeutai jam, nange hande, jamado daule. The heartbeat of a nation, strong and proud. Soluba sound, always loud. From celebration to quiet prayer, its music lives in the air. Soluba's voice, deep and clear, telling stories we long to hear. From ancient lands to modern days, the rhythm of Gambia in soulful ways. Soluba ndulukude, yeutai jam, na ange hande, jamado taule. The heartbeat of a nation, strong and proud. Soluba sound, always loud. From celebration of passion to quiet prayer, its music lives in the air, in the air. Soluba Mohala, Boki
gana hai sama da gure da du yek siche.
Under the moon by the fire's glow, the soul of a beats, the stories flow. Echoes of ancestors in each sound. Gambia soul in rhythm found. Soluba speaks through hands and drum, where all our voices become one. A pulse of life, both fierce and sweet. Feel Gambia's heart in every beat. Soluba la, lenato nico, feñolena, kilila banyo. The hands that play know joy and pain. Soluba calls like falling rain. From the villages to the open sea, its rhythm dances wild and free. Soluba speaks through hands and drum, where all our voices become one. A pulse of life, both fierce and sweet. Feel Gambia's heart in every beat. Soluba nima jikututu, fokondun, do they jump oh we. When the soul of a place the world will hear, its beats erase all doubt and fear. In every drum a story told, of courage, strength and hearts of gold. Soluba speaks through hands and drum, where all our voices become one. A pulse of life, both fierce and sweet. Feel Gambia's heart in every beat. Soluba ditego chisu, niuna chikanan, moisa chisu numbiu hang. When a soluba plays, the world will hear. Its beats erase all doubt and fear. In every drum a story told, of courage, strength and hearts of gold. Soluba ditego chisu, nyala chikanam, imoisak chisu numbiu ham.
On by the river, under the sun, where history speaks and futures are spun. Gambian hands, strong and true, building dreams and skies so blue. I am Gambia, land of the free, proud of my roots, my legacy. With every step I stand tall, for Gambia's heart I give it all. Nala Gambia le ala zumuso, fenyan lahan so tiota. The rhythm of life in every street, a country of warmth where hearts meet. From Banjul shores to the fields of far, Gambian pride shines like a star. I am Gambia, land of the free, proud of my roots, my legacy. With every step I stand tall, for Gambia's heart I give it all. Nala Gambia le, alato muso, fenyan layang, so tiota. The rhythm of life in every street, a country of warmth where hearts meet. From Banjul shores to the fields of far, Gambian pride shines like a star.
We rise with strength, our voice is clear. For Gambia's future, we hold dear. Oh, from ancient times to days ahead, our Gambian spirit never fades, never fades, never fades. I am Gambia, land of the free. I'm free, proud of my roots, my legacy, my legacy. With every step, I stand tall. For Gambia's heart, I give it all. I give it all. Magnifiam garin suno poptujen. It's a dagagi Gambia moy sumi. Magnifiam garin suno poptujen. It's a dagagi Gambia moy sumi. In the fields where the sun shines bright, Gambia's peanuts grow in golden light. From the soil, rich and sweet, a tiny treasure of farmers' feet. Peanuts of Gambia, rich and pure, from the earth, a gift so sure. In every bite, the land is told, Gambia's peanuts worth more than gold. Ialibanta, Gio Kajang, Atamaliga, Abefe Nyoban. Harvest time, the joy is near. Peanuts bring the season's cheer. Crunchy, tasty, a world's delight. Gambia's pride, shining bright. Peanuts of Gambia, rich and pure, from the earth, a gift so sure. In every bite, the land is told, Gambia's peanuts worth more than gold. Kalangong dewate, Namjoru, Taurudong esa, Doako kabe. From the market stalls to distant lands, Gambia's peanuts fill the hands. A humble nut with a story deep, of roots that thrive, of dreams we keep. Peanuts of Gambia, rich and pure, from the earth, a gift so sure. In every bite, the land is told, Gambia's peanuts worth more than gold. Sunugeterek motat snumis, Tedi tapi chisufsi, si.
In the heart of Gambia, where rivers flow, a land of beauty where peaceful winds blow. We dream of days without the strife, where every child can live a full life. No more wars, let the peace arise in Gambia's heart on the clear blue skies. With every voice, with every song, we'll stand united, strong and long. Yalara, kililabe jango, senyam lele, wati janga kafo. Yalara, kililabe jango, senyam lele, wati janga kafo. In every village, in every town, let's build a future no one brought down. Hand in hand, we'll pave the way skies. With every voice, with every song, we'll stand united, strong and long. Jam jam jomi moni kali, aklobe jomi nini. Jam jam jomi moni kali, aklobe jomi nini. From the riverside to the golden plains, let's end the pain, break the chains. For Gambia's future, let love be the guide. With open hearts and arms open wide. No more wars, let the peace arise. In Gambia's heart under clear blue skies. With every voice, with every song, we'll stand united, strong and long. Jam jam moji, Gambia fufunda. Domirengi anyu feini heo. Jam jam moji, Gambia fufunda. Domirengi anyu feini heo. Jam jam moji, Gambia fufunda. Domirengi anyu feini heo. Jam jam moji, Gambia fufunda. Domirengi anyu feini heo.
Under the sun, golden sand, coastal beach, paradise so grand. The ocean sings, the palm trees sway. A peaceful dreaming Gambia's bay. Go to beach where the waves play, dancing beneath the sun's warm ray. Feel the breeze, the ocean's call. At the coastal beach you'll lose it all. Go to Fonila, near Gango, Bunyalina, sa island Beno. Swimming boats on the water glide, bringing life from the ocean wide. Footsteps fade in the soft warm sand. Go to beach, a peaceful land. Go to beach where the waves play, dancing beneath the sun's warm ray. Feel the breeze, the ocean's call. At the Coast Beach you'll lose it all. Go to Fonila, and the Gambi, Bunyalina, sa Alabino. Fishermen boats on the water glide, bringing life from the ocean wide. Footsteps fade in the soft warm sand. Go to beach, a peaceful land. Go to beach where the waves play, dancing beneath the sun's warm ray. Feel the breeze, the ocean's call. At the Coast Beach you'll lose it all. Go to Yaide, the Niamwe, for where the Tawe, the Jambali. Watch the sunset paint the sky, as the evening breeze whispers by. Stars above, the waves below. Go-to's magic will make you glow. Go-to beach where the waves play, dancing beneath the sun's warm ray. Feel the breeze, the ocean's call. At the Go-to beach you'll lose it all. Go-to Bilulu, Yunibekna, Sabichikako, Ididiweha.
speaks of chains undone, of battles fought, and victories won. Kunta Kinte, a hero's fight, a beacon shining through the night. On this silent history flows, in the Gambia's heart his legacy grows. Kunta Kinte, derkangon jengu, fufko gila, wanden deruta. Walk the paths where hope was born, where strength rose up from days forlorn. Feel the spirit